There are some Microsoft services running in your PC that eat up 40% of your CPU without telling you. And this thing you wouldn't even see in the task manager because when and how often those services run in background you don't even know. Microsoft has maintained these services to collect data there are of no use to you. Let's close this. First first press the Windows R and type services.msc and services.msc and hit enter. What you need to find in this list is connected user experience and telemetry. It has to stop first and then disable the startup type. So stop first and disable the starter type, apply and OK. After that, you have to find Windows error reporting services. Windows error reporting services here and disable and startup type by stopping is 2. Then return to home screen, close this, then return to home screen, press Windows R and type task tasks csd.msc. Enter, then expanding the task scheduler library here, give expand to Microsoft, then Windows after that clicking on. Go to the application experience, click on the Microsoft, disable it by right click Microsoft compatibility appraiser, then write the services spike the most CPU, then restart your PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.